Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles Vlog. This is Attorney B, and today guys is a special episode because we will be opening this box, Comic Book Heroes Topps Golden Anniversary 2025 Trading Cards. Ayan. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, ito, bubuksan natin. So I have two boxes, pero isa lang muna bubuksan natin. This is the Topps Comic Book Heroes Golden Anniversary 2025 Trading Cards. Kakalabas lang ito this week, and grabe, ang mahal kagad ng presyo nito. So 32 total cards, 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. So pwede tayong makakuha ng autograph or sketch cards. Ayan o. So ito yung pwede nating makuha. So tignan natin. Bukas tayo na isa. Okay? So let's open. Teka, ang hirap magbukas. Ayun. Ang ganda ng box niya. Para siyang comic book. Diba? Tapos paano ba ito buksan? Ayun. Uy, ang ganda. Tignan mo naman guys. Oh. Ayan. Para siyang comic book talaga. Tapos si Iron Man, si Hulk, si Spider-Man, si Miss Fantastic. Tapos ang ganda. Ang ganda ng tura. Para siyang naka-encase. So, paano ito bubuksan? Sisirain ba itong box? Teka. Ayan. Oops. Dito. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi first time nating magbubukas ito. Ayun, oh. Wow. Kasi baka pwede nating matabi yung box. So, ayun, 2 per pack. 2 per slot. Okay, so tignan natin. Open tayo. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong size nito. Makapal. Wow, look at that. So 4 cards per pack. May purple, holo. Tignan natin. Ito muna. Long shot. 2000. We have Iron Fist, 23 of 75. Oh, Jordan. Michael Jordan number. Silver Surfer, holo. Iceman pala. Tama, Iron Fist, Iceman, and Thor. 67. Wow, ganda. Ganda ng ang card. Medyo siya, parang 50 point. Tapos glossy type. Syempre meron tayong nakakuha tayo ng maganda. Number 275, Iron Fist, Iceman, holo, and Thor. Alright. So meron siyang 1976 siguro kung kailan siya lumabas. Ito 1975. Si Thor. Okay. So at least nakita na natin. Uy, Spider-Man. Ganda. So, usually sa second. Ito isang holo lang. So Spider-Man 1975. Ka-birthday ko. Year ko pala. Spider-Man. Ganda. Black Widow. Tapos ang ating holo, si Morbius. And ito syempre si Iron Man. Iron Man 1976. Alright. Next pack. Come on. Autograph sana or ano. Autograph or holo lang ulit. Spider-Boy. Spider-Man ulit. Pero 2000 Spider-Man. Yung itsura niya yung parang sticker, no? Nung sticker before, tapos parang marble. So ito si Iceman ulit. Ito naman si Silver Surfer. So ano pinakaiba ni Silver Surfer kay Iceman? Black Widow ulit. Yep, Black Widow. And Mr. Fantastic. Tama, Mr. Fantastic 1975. Okay. Fourth pack. Meron ba dito? Si Blob. Uy, we have a gold. We have a gold. Gold ba yun? Unahin muna natin to. Cyclops. Tapos yung holo. Venom. Ganda. Venom Holo 2025. And our golds. Come on. Magandang character sana. Is this number 250? Usually, pag gold. Or baka 10 to. X23. 119 of 150. Yup, X23. So, mataas pala yung gold. Baka ano lang to, yellow. 119 of 150. And we have Blob. Yup, halfway na tayo, guys. So, our best hit yet, papakita lang natin. Is yung dalawang numbered card, the purple and the yellow. Yan. So, si Iron Fist and si X23. So, hopefully, meron pa. Sketch or autograph. Come on. Parang per merong may hit. Uy. Meron na namang gold, oh. Unahin muna natin to. Si Thor. Ang holo natin. The Thing. The Thing holo. And our Sparkle Gold. Ito sana ang 250. Kasi kanina, ganito rin bang kulay? Hindi, parang Ruby Wave yun. Wave ito. Iba. Sana magandang character. Come on. Hawkeye. 77 of 199. Alright. Luka Doncic. 77 of 199. So, tatlo na yung ating numbered card. And this one, si Flux. Flux. Okay. Next pack. So, i-expect natin wala na tayo makukuha dito. Kasi nakuha na natin yung isang hit. Oh, my favorite, Spider-Gwen. Hey, may Spider-Gwen pa na dito. Ito muna. Medusa. Medusa. Alright. Walang tayong sleeves. Naubos ang sleeves natin. Next is Spider-Gwen. Kino-collect ko to eh. So, Ghost Spider or Spider-Gwen. Yep. Next, ayan. At ang ating holo. Siya ulit. Si Flux. And our last Tigra. Tigra na regular card. Okay, last two packs. So, hopefully, merong isa dito na So, wala So, isa na lang. So, holo dito. So, first card, Kill Raven. So, yung last pack doon, baka may hit. Next card, ito. Loki. Old school Loki. Tingnan mo yung itsura ni Loki. And our holo. Storm. Ganda. One of the most popular female characters sa Marvel. Storm. And eto, si Dazzler. Okay, and our last pack. Come on. Mojo pack, please. Kasi medyo mahal rin yung box. Do we have something here? We have a green. So hindi natin alam kung ano yung green. Pero hindi siya autograph, hindi siya ano. So parallel lang rin siya. Hank Pym. Our holo. Long shot. And our green. Come on. Sana low number 2. Usually ang green to 5 pero ewan natin. Ooh, ganda. 6 of 99. Rogue. Rogue. 6 of 99. Okay, and ito si Captain Marvel. Okay, so basically 4 hits, no? Aside from the holos. 4 numbered, for every pack has a holo, tapos merong for every box merong either parallel, colored parallel or ano. So ito siya. So nakuha natin Hawkeye number to 199, tapos ito si X-23 number to 150, si Rogue number to 99, and ito 23 of 75 LeBron James number to 75 Iron Fist. Okay na rin kasi merong ano si Luka Doncic at si LeBron James. Okay guys, thank you, and if you want to see more contents like this, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles. Saya nito. Till the next break guys, bye.